Hello friends, welcome to Poongudi's channel. Today I'll teach you herringbone stitch and herringbone stitch filling. Those who have missed my previous videos, please click on the link given in the description box. Fifth stitch is herringbone stitch. We put 2 lines for this herringbone stitch. You take the needle in one line like this, and in the other line you should insert the needle on top and bring it down like this. Now the next stitch will come to the next line. Here also from top to bottom, the bottom line should be straight to the previous stitch. See here, top to bottom. Again you see from top to bottom, and the bottom stitch should be straight to the previous stitch like this. One stitch in this line and the other stitch in the other line. Now you will get a X-like stitch like this on both the sides. To be more clear, I have drawn cross lines like this so that it will be easier for the beginners. From top line to the next line, you put one stitch, and on the other parallel line again from the top line to the next line you make a stitch like this. See here. Now you go to the next line. You practice this in 2-3 lines so that you will be clear about this herringbone stitch. See, this one is the back side view of the herringbone stitch. You can see 2 lines. In this motif, I have used this herringbone stitch here in the basket. Our next stitch is herringbone stitch filling. This filling also we do in 2 lines, the same stitch, but we are doing it very closer here, so that we can fill the space completely with the thread. The same stitch from top to bottom in one line, again from top to bottom in the other line. Now the space will be filled with the embroidering thread. This is called herringbone stitch filling. See clearly and practice in 2 straight lines or in any leaves or flower petals. To fill the space, you can use this herringbone stitch. This is the back side of the filling. In this ball like thing, I am filling this space with herringbone stitch filling. This one is a small motif. I finished the stems with the stem stitch and one leaf with herringbone stitch filling. Here I will show you how to fill this leaf with herringbone stitch filling. Here too you bring the needle from top to bottom. Again you take the top portion of the leaf as one line and the bottom portion of the leaf as the second line, and you can fill using herringbone stitch. Now I finished the leaf with herringbone stitch filling. See how beautiful it is. You can use this stitch wherever you wish to fill the flowers, petals and any other design. I finished this motif also with herringbone stitch in the basket as well as herringbone stitch filling here. In this design, see here, I finished the flower petals with herringbone stitch. I hope this herringbone stitch will be clear for you. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.